This is a high-speed poultry plant. Raw chicken comes in on one end, and a few hundred feet later, it's the nuggets, the patties, and the tenders you recognize from any drive-thru. One line moves 100,000 pounds a day. Formed, breaded, fried, frozen, bagged, and labeled. Thousands of pieces a minute, and it never stops. Every bag crosses that scale a nugget or two heavy. Over-spec, given away for free. In a day, this plant gives about $30,000 of product away. In a week, 10 full truckloads. That's nearly 13 million nuggets given away free. In a year, 500 trucks. And this is one plant. A producer this size runs 50 lines. A convoy you measure in miles. I'm Carlos Gosen. I lead Allie's deployments here in the US. Real numbers, real floor, one of North America's biggest poultry producers. When a line goes down, the real reason usually lives in one supervisor's head. OEE gets calculated by hand the next morning, hours after it mattered. None of that is a people problem. It's a visibility problem. You can't fix what you can't see in time to act on it. First, we made the floor visible. 1H gateway into the systems they already have. Live OEE on every line, a factory anyone can just ask. But visibility isn't the point, control is. Why does a plant give product away? Because you can't ship underweight. That's a violation. So when you're flying blind, you overfill to stay safe. That cushion is the giveaway. But weight isn't random. It's driven by three things: raw piece size, belt speed, batter viscosity. Allie maps how each one moves the weight, a live causal model of the line. So when weight drifts, Allie doesn't just flag it, it shows you why, recommends the smallest correction, and respects the 5 to 10 minute lag before a viscosity change lands, instead of overcorrecting. That's the difference between a dashboard and control. We close the loop on the variables that cause the giveaway, so the line runs right at the edge of spec safely. That's how the cushion shrinks and the trucks stay in the yard. 3 weeks in, the early signals are exactly what we want. Supervisors log in most of the stops ahead of our first milestone. The shortest microstops classify themselves now, and the whole plant is on one live picture instead of dueling spreadsheets. Same playbook we ran in the hardest plants on earth, now on an American floor. Most plants find out what went wrong. This one decides what happens next.